Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids. Now install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now to access settings, click on the bottom right one. Click on settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then manage all of those options however you want to. Now click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!